Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Honda Odyssey tail light. First, open your tailgate to gain full access to the tail light assembly. You will notice two small, square-shaped plastic covers on the inner edge of the light housing. These covers conceal the fasteners. Make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket ready for the next steps. Having the right tools makes this job much easier. Now, let's remove those fasteners. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into the notch on each plastic cover and gently pry them open. Once the covers are off, you will see two bolts. Use your Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket to loosen and remove these two bolts by turning them counterclockwise. It's a good idea to place these small parts in a container so they don't roll away. With the bolts removed, the tail light assembly is still held by a plastic pin or peg and a grommet. Gently pull the entire assembly straight back, away from the vehicle's body. It might feel a bit snug, so a steady, firm pull is best. If it's particularly stubborn, you can use a plastic trim panel removal tool to carefully pry along the front outer edge, providing a little extra leverage without damaging the paint. Once the assembly is free, you'll need to disconnect the wiring. Twist each bulb socket 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out. There might also be a main electrical connector. Press its release tab and pull it apart. To put everything back together, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all bulb sockets are twisted clockwise until secure and the main connector clicks firmly into place. Finally, tighten the two bolts and snap the covers back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.